What's up, guys? This is Dennis with Luke's and Jewelry. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I want to break down something most people never hear about, and that is one of the biggest reasons sterling silver tarnishes, and that is skin. Your skin chemistry plays a huge role. And once you understand this, you'll stop stressing about tarnish. You'll start seeing it as a normal reaction from real silver. Now, let's break this down in a simple way. So, what is tarnish actually? Tarnish is not your jewelry going bad, it's not rust, it's not fading, and it doesn't mean your silver is fake. Tarnish is just real 925 silver reacting to oxygen and sulfur in the air. That's it. Every piece of sterling silver will tarnish over time, even luxury silver or even museum silver or whatever type of silver you want to think about. That is real, of course. So when your jewelry darkens, that's actually a good sign that it's real silver. Now, moving on, your body chemistry matters. Every person has unique skin chemistry. We all have different pH levels. We all sweat differently. We all produce different oils. Our hormones change, our stress levels change, even the food we eat and our hydration levels makes a difference. All of this affects how fast sterling silver tarnishes. Now, skin pH. Some people have more acidic skin, some have more neutral skin. If your skin is slightly more acidic, silver reacts faster, so your chain, your jewelry might darken quicker. Sweat contains salt and tiny amounts of sulfur, which both speed up tarnish. So if you work outdoors, you go to the gym, you live in a humid area or sweat easily, your silver most likely will tarnish faster. Some people have oilier skin and some have drier skin. For some, natural oils actually help silver stay nice and shiny, and for others, oils mixed with sweat or those that have a little bit more acid actually speeds up the tarnish. Now, when it comes to hormones, stress, and lifestyle, your skin chemistry changes based on that stress, that sleep, the medication, the food, the hydration, seasons, and exercise. So you might go through a season where your chain, your jewelry tarnishes faster, and months later, it barely tarnishes at all. So tarnish doesn't necessarily mean that it's low quality, nor does it mean that it's fake or cheap. Fake jewelry peels, it rusts, it chips, and it turns green. Real sterling silver tarnishes, even high-end sterling silver tarnishes. So when someone says my jewelry tarnish, my chain tarnish, it must be fake, that's completely wrong. Now, how to reduce tarnish? I do have a link in the description below on the polishing cloth that I personally use. All you have to do is just give it a nice polish. I personally shower with it as well. It kind of helps remove all those oils as well. But in the practical side, you can use an airtight bag. You can clean it regularly. Just avoid chlorine, hot tubs, soaps, colognes. Just removing your chain or your jewelry on heavy workouts as well. And to be honest with you guys, this is actually one reason a lot of people don't like silver. Silver is really not for everyone, and that's okay. There's other options as well. There's plated silver as well, which you can plate it with rhodium, or even just moving on to gold, which tarnishes a lot less than sterling silver. So moving on, when you understand why tarnish happens, you don't think your jewelry is fake, you don't think it's low quality, you just know it's a natural reaction to sterling silver in general. A quick polishing cloth will be able to do the trick. So again, guys, sterling silver is honest, it reacts, it changes, it develops, and my personal favorite, it adds character to your story just by you wearing the chain. All right, guys, so final thought is most tarnish actually comes from skin chemistry, not the jewelry itself. Real silver reacts, and that's what it's supposed to do. So guys, like always, if you can, put the fire emoji, the wave emoji in the comments below. Just let me know that you watched this video all the way to the end. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.